This is the material rack. And this swing arm is used for expanding and contracting. Camera device. If you turn it in the opposite direction, it contracts. Okay, now it's contracted to the smallest size. Then if you turn it this way, it expands. Alright, now it's expanded to the largest size. The material is placed right here between these two A-frames. The material goes between these two A-frames, and this part can be detached and removed. When loading the material, loosen this part, take it off, and then load the material. Yes, it can be taken apart. Right, after you have taken it apart, then you carefully put this back on. Later, when you align the material, just adjust it to match the exact width of your material. Now let's do it manually. Manually rotate it, turn it over. This is manual mode, just press it once. It will rotate forward. Alright, this button here is for reverse rotation, just tap it. It will rotate in reverse. After you've finished the manual operation, switch it to automatic here. Then it will run automatically. Right, you just place the material like this onto the sensor rack and it will stop. Just put it on the sensor rack like this and it will stop. Then just pull it up and feed it in. There are manual, automatic and jog modes, as well as forward and reverse rotation.